If you're new to Bluetooth speakers, you might be wondering, is the TRIBIT PocketGo worth it? The short answer is yes, if you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly speaker for everyday use.
The TRIBIT PocketGo is a small, wireless Bluetooth speaker designed for beginners who want something easy, portable, and reliable. It connects quickly with Bluetooth 6.0, uses USB-C charging, and is simple enough that you can just turn it on and start playing music right away. For daily listening, it delivers surprisingly powerful sound for its size, and with custom EQ support, you can adjust the sound to fit your taste. It also supports TWS pairing, so if you ever want more volume, you can connect two speakers together. One of the biggest advantages is durability. With an IP68 waterproof and dustproof rating, the PocketGo works great in the shower, at the beach, or outdoors. And it even floats, so you don't have to worry about water accidents. Battery life is solid for beginners too, offering up to 20 hours of playtime, and it also supports a TF card,
which is useful if you want to play music without your phone. So if you want a portable Bluetooth speaker for travel, outdoor use, or home listening that's easy to use and doesn't cost much, then yes, the TRIBIT PocketGo is worth it for beginners. Keep in mind, it's designed for everyday listening, not for large parties. And for that purpose, it does its job really well.